Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is phosphorus pentachloride. The molecular formula is PCl5, means phosphorus along with 5 chlorines, pentachloride PCl5, and the molecular mass of phosphorus pentachloride is 208.5 atomic mass units. So let's begin the topic with the structure of PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride structure. See, in phosphorus pentachloride, the phosphorus in ground state, the electronic configuration is neon 10 3s2 3p3 3s2 3p3 in ground state. But in excited state, its electronic configuration is neon 3s1 3p3 and 3d1. So see, one electron from s orbital jumps to d orbital in excited state. So here 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 from s orbital, 3 from p orbitals and 1 d orbital. So the hybridization is sp3d hybridization. So phosphorus shows sp3d hybridization. These 5 hybrid orbitals form sigma bonds with 5 chlorines. They form sigma bonds with 5 chlorines. So here 1 chlorine, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hybrid orbitals combine with 5 chlorines with sigma bond to form the structure PCl5. So here the hybridization is sp3d hybridization and the structure is trigonal bipyramidal. What is the structure? Trigonal bipyramidal. Let's see the structure of PCl5, that is trigonal bipyramidal. So phosphorus combines with 5 chlorines. So structure of a PCl5 is a trigonal bipyramidal. See, one phosphorus with 5 chlorines, they form sigma bonds. What they form? They form sigma bonds to form the structure of a PCl5. So this is the structure of a PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, and the next topic is how this phosphorus pentachloride is prepared. The preparations of phosphorus pentachloride. I hope you understand the structure of a PCl5, how the phosphorus combined with 5 chlorines with the sigma bonds. So next, preparations of PCl5. Preparations of phosphorus pentachloride. See, the first preparation is when the white phosphorus treated with excess of dry chlorine, excess chlorine to form phosphorus pentachloride. When phosphorus treated with dry excess of chlorine, they form 4 molecules of phosphorus pentachloride. And the second preparation is phosphorus when treated with sulfonyl chloride. When treated with sulfonyl chloride, they form phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus when treated with sulfonyl chloride gives phosphorus pentachloride and 10SO2. So these are the preparations of phosphorus pentachloride. Let's see the properties of phosphorus pentachloride. Please note down the two preparations of phosphorus pentachloride. Next, the properties of phosphorus pentachloride. Properties of phosphorus pentachloride. Properties. Phosphorus pentachloride is a yellowish color powder. How it look like? It look like yellowish color powder, and phosphorus pentachloride gives the characteristic smell. It gives a characteristic smell. And the third property, its boiling point. Its boiling point is 166 degrees Celsius. How the phosphorus pentachloride, what are the properties? Yellowish color powder, characteristics, it gives a characteristic smell, and the boiling point is 166 degrees Celsius. These are the properties. Next, see the chemical properties of phosphorus pentachloride. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. So what are the chemical properties of phosphorus pentachloride? And the first chemical property is when phosphorus pentachloride hydrolyzes, that means combines with 4 molecules of water. Hydrolysis. It combines with 4 molecules of water. It gives phosphoric acid and hydrochloric acid. It gives phosphoric acid and hydrochloric acid. This is the first chemical property. When phosphorus pentachloride hydrolyzes with water, it gives phosphoric acid H3PO4 plus 5 molecules of hydrochloric acid. And the second chemical property is reaction with alcohols. When primary alcohols treated with phosphorus pentachloride. See, this is a primary alcohol. OH group combines with only one alkyl group. Primary alcohols react with phosphorus pentachloride. They gives the alkyl chlorides. What they give? Alkyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. So primary alcohols when treated with PCl5 give alkyl chlorides. To prepare the alkyl chlorides, here phosphorus pentachloride is treated with primary alcohols. And the third chemical property is reaction with COOH. That is acids. Third chemical property is reaction with COOH. So, when phosphorus pentachloride treated with acids gives acid chlorides. What they give? They give acid chlorides. When treated with acids, they give acid chlorides. So let's take with an example phosphorus pentachloride treated with C2H5COOH. It gives C2H5COCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. So these are the third property of phosphorus pentachloride. Let's see the fourth property. That is when these are treated with the metals. So treated with metals, PCl5 when treated with zinc metal, it gives ZnCl2 zinc chloride plus when phosphorus pentachloride treated with silver, it gives plus N3. These are the reactions of phosphorus pentachloride with metals. I hope you understand the chemical properties of phosphorus pentachloride. When the phosphorus pentachloride hydrolyzed gives phosphoric acid, and when the phosphorus pentachloride treated with primary alcohols give alkyl, corresponding alkyl chlorides. When these are treated with acids, they give acid chlorides, and when treated with metals, they give metal chlorides. So these phosphorus pentachloride is used in many of the preparations of metal chlorides, acid chlorides, alkyl chlorides, etc. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.